Hello guys, in this video I would like to show a way to create a knife sharpener from scratch. So let's get started. To make this we need an old adapter having low power output, a mini motor and a sandpaper. If you don't have such an adapter, you can also use your phone's adapter. Take a cable as the one I am showing in the video. Chances are you might have one or more such cables which are not working. Cut off its ends and join these two wires on the mini motor as shown. After you have connected as shown, cut a sandpaper in a circular manner. Make it a medium size. The radius of the sandpaper is about 3 cm. Fix it on the motor as shown. Now switch on the adapter and see if it spins or not. If it is not spinning, just give it a head start. It should eventually spin. Now you can test whether it is working or not using a paper cutter. If you guys have doubt about the knife sharpener, watch this. See that it can easily grind off the paper cutter. Thank you so much for watching. If you like such videos, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.